Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll be sharing my aftercare products after my TCA cross treatment because some of the people are asking in the comment section if what products I am applying after the treatment. So right after the treatment, I am applying the Banish serum, which is this is a vitamin C and E, a dark spot corrector, and then I am also applying Banish vitamin C cream, which is this is a brightening moisturizer plus sunscreen. That's the most important, and I am only using these two products for a week, like for a week after my TCA cross treatment, because all you need to do after the treatment is you need to keep your skin moisturized or hydrated, and also always wear sunscreen and avoid direct sun exposure. But most people actually using petroleum jelly or Vaseline to keep their skin moisturized or as their moisturizer. But me, I'm no longer using petroleum jelly or Vaseline because it's so thick and heavy on my skin, and it is also irritating on my skin. So that's the reason why I am just using these products, because this is the aftercare products that I'm using as well after my micro needling treatment. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!